Hi, I'm Wenchen Xiong. My team members include Xiaorong Pan, Wei Wenchen, and Tianxu Tan. The topic of our group presentation is ethical issues arising from artificial intelligence in the field of marketing. The first part is introduction. Computer technology has evolved from the initial scientific and mathematical calculation to various modern computer application fields in recent decades. Artificial intelligence is a research branch of computer science. AI is science and technology based on computer science, biology, psychology, neuroscience, mathematics, and philosophy. One of the main drivers of AI is to develop computer function related to the human intelligence. AI seeks to understand nature of intelligence and produce a new link of the intelligence machine. At present, AI is mainly used in the medical care, finance, marketing, transportation, education, and other fields. Then the second part is topic description. With the development of international communication and the interactive media, marketing has entered the digital age. Digital marketing has become the main mode of marketing with help of science and technology. Traditional marketing methods have been unable to meet the needs of brand and consumer, and its problem in each marketing link are increased. With help of advanced AI technology, digital marketing begins to open up new markets and tap new consumer needs with new AI marketing methods. AI technology is bringing marketing to the direct of the two-way interaction and consumer participation, and provide precision marketing capability. But it also brings up some problem for the marketing. The third part is stakeholder and stakeholder analyst. Stakeholder in this technological innovation include the government marketing supervision department, enterprise, e-commerce enterprise, marketing forecasting and analyst department, marketing decision making department, pre-sales department, sales staff, customer service department, and customers. The analyst method is the influence and interesting metrics of the stakeholder. At first level, they are the government department, enterprise, e-commerce enterprise, and customers. The former three make the relevant strategy and policy through the collection of the market data and customer data. Customers are provided by a large amount of information data. Enterprise can analyze the interest point and behavior pattern of the customer through this data, so they have high influence and interesting. The second level consists of the marketing forecasting department, marketing decision-making department. These two are two departments analyze the customer pattern through the collection data and establish the predictive mode or give the marketing strategy at present state. So they are high influence but low interesting. The third level include pre-sales department, sales staff, customer service department. These three directors use the AI technology developed to assist their own business to improve survey quality. So they are high interest and low influence. Then Wei Wen will talk about the next part.
Thank you, Wenchen. Hello everyone, I'm Wei Wen, and I'm going to discuss the ethical issue, which we have categorized into 4 parts, including data privacy and data sharing, customer persuasion and coercion, racial bias and prejudice, and the fake media and disinformation. So in the first part of data privacy and data sharing, is one of the critical topics in the AI marketing drive. To create and increase the personalized consumer experience, some companies adopt AI technology to capture our data while browsing or purchasing items, including preference, invoice, location, or even more. AI uses this data to analyze and predict the product, what we like, what we need, and which coupon or advertisement are mostly likely to make we happy. For example, we're receiving coupons email based on our purchase history. In addition, when we are searching or searching some product or browsing the Google on Facebook, the website will jump out of the advertisement which is strongly related with our searching history. So the ethical dilemma is a concern between protecting the customer privacy data or increasing the benefit by selling this data. So in the second part, I would love to talk about is the customer persuasion and coercion. I will going to give you guys some example, which is the target company. The target companies noticed that the woman and baby registered by larger amount of unscented pollution around the beginning of their second trimester. Therefore, there is a case that a customer received the coupons for baby item, but the mail was intercepted by her father, who was clueless about his daughter's pregnancy. The obvious ethical issue are one of the privacy and freedom from unwanted intrusion in one's life and lifestyle. And in the third part, I'm going to talk about the racial bias and prejudice. This is another ethical issue. Some of the marketer advertised by one or two people of a different race in their image, although the world is radical racial diversity. The Facebook ad serving is one of the examples in this part. A research from Northeastern University showed that ads about homes for sale were also shown to more white users, while the ads for rental were shown to more minorities. Bugs occur during problem framing when the objective of a machine learning model is misplaced with the need to avoid discrimination. And in the last part, I'm going to talk about the fake media and disinformation. In some companies, they combine the technology of AI and virtual influencer, which create a 3D animated characters as real as possible. To build an emotional connection between store and customer for advertisement, Lily McCullough is a digital avatar Instagram influencer who have 305 million followers. A marketing tool for product endorsement for streetwear and luxury. In 2019, she posted a vlog about personal experience of being sexually harassed by a Lyft driver. Virtual influencers that are created by a brand have a clear bias toward that brand service or product, and therefore are likely to be seen as less trustworthy by consumers. In conclusion, when we're adopting AI technology, we should also consider about the ethical issue that is critical. So in the next session, Tianshu will discuss the legal issue and resolution. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tianshu Tan. In this part, I will talk about the legal issue about AI, which AI is widely used in the traditional industry, like marketing, e-commerce, logistics, transportation, or medical care. I have to say that the AI is really convenient and change a lot to our life and the society. But at the same time, lots of legal issue, the problems have appeared of it. As we all know that the development of AI is so fast, and so far there's no law specifically designed for AI. And in this part, I will have a short analysis about the three legal issues regarding to AI. The first one is the accountability. So such as when we use the internet smart investment, I think it's really hard to identify who is the provider of the financial products, the investment services, or the platform information services. And if AI products breaks down, who will hold the responsible for that? AI is based on the program, and the program may develop by the dozens of or hundreds of people. I think we can't let all the program development to hold this responsible. And for the second one, I'm gonna talk about the intellectual property right and copyright. The two most important core technology of AI is big data and algorithm. For now, AI can create its own works like music, a painting, or poetry. But what those things based on? Obviously, AI uses its own algorithm to collect and learn from others' works. So is that copyright infringement? And who will own this copyright? For the last part, I will talk about the personal information and privacy. Development of AI is based on the massive data. So collection and the analysis data must lead to the invasion of the public privacy. For example, when we use the services on the website, they always ask for the personal identifying information like the real name system. I think this is really easy to become the way that we leak out our personal the privacy. And as the more AI applications, the business companies or the investment marketing organization will become the privacy invader. And also the scope of the infringement will expand. So build a set of AI law is really necessary. And I will introduce Xiaorong to present next part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Xiaorong Pai. In this part, I will introduce the social and cultural issues that AI brings to the marketing industry. The first one is rising unemployment. AI can bring personalized marketing methods. It can intelligently market the products to different users. Compared with traditional marketing methods, it not only improves efficiency, but also AI can work 24 hours a day, so AI can replace many marketers. This means that employees who were previously engaged in these jobs will lose their jobs, and AI will become more efficient and cheap than them. The second one is not fair enough. Can algorithms or machines be really fair? In order to satisfy sellers, AI will sell more expensive products to users with high user loyalty. At the same time, in order to perform advertising more effective, artificial intelligence might ignore the principle of fairness. For example, female users usually receive advertisements with lower salaries than male users. Also, the product that is first recommended to the users may be the one that spent most advertising costs, but not the most suitable for users. The third one is not smart enough. Even if those who create algorithms try to be objective, they will be affected by their own growth environment, educational background, knowledge structure, and values. First, the presence of the wrong, irrelevant data lead to bias. If you enter imperfect or even wrong data, you will narrowly get wrong and based results. The following is the solution. To solve social issues, we would like to provide some ideas from our discussion. First of all, we consider that companies should allow the options for users to choose data for sharing. We could select what data we would like to share. Next, the company should eliminate the use of third-party data. Then the government should legalize the law for what and how company collect private data. After, the company could analyze the data by customer feedback rather than collecting private data. In final, marketers has to be transparency and responsibility in artificial intelligence. The last part is conclusion. In the future, artificial intelligence will be more widely used in marketing, and marketing work will be more and more intelligent. All in all, the marketing industry is being pushed to a new development node by artificial intelligence. At such a moment, the entire marketing industry needs to be seized opportunities avoid risks and solve problems in order to achieve development of the marketing industry. Thank you.